In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how you can remove lag on Roblox. So as you'll notice, I am on the main homepage of Roblox right here. You now want to choose the game that you want to play. So I will just click on a random game right here. So I will click on play. That will then load me into the game that I have chosen. You then want to click on the play button. And then from here, you now need to go to the top left-hand corner, click on the Roblox symbol. And then from here, you want to go over to settings. Now what we need to do is we need to go down and we need to head over to the maximum frame rate. Now, if we click on the drop down menu, you will now see an option for different frame rates. You want to choose the one that your monitor does support. Now, if your monitor is just a 60 frames per second monitor and you choose 240 FPS, this will cause this to lag. Now this is the first setting that we can change. Make sure you change this one right here. From here, you want to scroll down until you see the option for graphics mode. Mine is currently on automatic. Now automatic will work for many different people, and most of the time this will be absolutely fine. But if not, and you are getting a lot of lag, what we need to do is change this to manual. You want to go ahead and change this until you see that the lag has disappeared. And then what you will then also be able to do is you will then be able to turn on or off the reduce motion setting right here. Once you've changed these three settings and you found which ones work for you, you should remove the majority of the lag that you are experiencing in Roblox. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix and remove lag on Roblox.